welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel.
We stayed in Bhutan and Spain. It's about business, cultivation, landmark, views, memories and facilities also. Navigation, here is navigations and compass. You can find lots of videos and which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 5. Room category 6. Category 7. Room category 8. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present while they enter. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The hotel is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings and